What's going on, guys? Today I got the review of the AM Off-Road Armor Grille for the 2022 to 2024 Chevy Silverado. Now take note that this does not fit the ZR2 trim levels. Now before I get into the review, I do want to thank AM Off-Road for sending me out this grille and allowing me to be the first person to install this on my truck. Now with that being said, this is not a paid or a sponsored video. What I'm telling you is honest. Let's take a look at this grille. That looks good, don't it? They're claiming this is a ZR2 style grille. That's what it's advertised as. To me, I'm going to call it an OEM Plus grille. It does have a ZR2 feel to it. It still also has a feel like my OEM grille. The differences that I've noted is obviously the Chevrolet logo is gone. If you have the Chevy bow tie, that's gone. If you have the Chevy mini bow tie on the bottom, that's gone. And all the knurling across the front is gone as well. The material of this grille is made of a hard ABS plastic. This is a matte finish. I believe they do offer a gloss black finish. They also offer another option that does not utilize this, but also utilizes your Chevy bow tie. So you won't get the light bar. You'll be able to use your Chevy bow tie. But it will have the amber side markers on either side of that bow tie as well. The installation was super easy, super straightforward. Everything lined it up perfect. There was no extra trimming, no extra cutting or drilling of holes. Everything lined up like it was meant to be, like this was an OEM piece. All the clips, all the bolt holes, everything. Two things to note. The headlight trim pieces, you will have to harvest the mounting plates off the back of your OEM grille. It's 2 screws. They're Torx 20 bits, 2 screws in each side. Unscrew them off the OEM grille, screw them onto these headlight trim pieces and push them into place, and you're done. In the center, there is a pin or clip. On the truck, there's a mounting plate, and it's got 2 holes. One of them's plugged up, one of them's not. My grill was utilizing the lower one. This grill utilizes the upper one. The upper one is plugged. Just pop out the plastic piece with a flathead screwdriver and push this into place, and it holds it in fine. The grill does come with the front mounting camera bracket, so if your truck does have the front mounted camera, you will be able to still retain that. Other than that, this grill is perfect. I don't have anything negative to say about it whatsoever, other than I wish I would have gotten this, or this would have came with the truck. It looks good. Let me show you these lights one more time. Yeah. All right. So that's what I have as far as my review. If you found this helpful, please comment below. If you want to see more videos, please like and subscribe for more content of my 2024 Chevy Silverado Overland build. If you'd like to see more photos and other content, check me out on Instagram at Mando_outdoors. Again, thank you on AM Off-Road for sending this out to me and allowing me to install it and review it for you. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.